am Daze Thomas, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Let's discuss some topics on cybersecurity. Access control. What is access control? It is a combination of who, what, or how. Okay. So here, who is the subject or the user who is using the computer system, and how is the mode of access, and what is the object which the person is accessing. So altogether, the combination of who, what, plus how is called access control. What are the different types of threats in cybersecurity? Threats can be divided into two: natural threats and human threats. Natural threats includes fire or failure, any natural disasters like flood. All these comes under natural causes. And in human causes, we have again two types: malicious and non-malicious. In non-malicious, you can tell it as an example like a human error. Instead of two, you are typing some other digit, or instead of phrases, you are typing brackets. All these are human errors. And in malicious intent, again you have two types: random and directed. Random, the example is malicious code on general aspects, and in directed, you have impersonation. Now we'll discuss types of attackers. So here you can see a group of attackers. There are some terrorists, criminal for hire, hackers, some individual attackers, some loosely connected groups. All these are different types of attacks. What are threats? There are different types of threats. They are interception, interruption, modification, and fabrication. In interception, some unauthorized party has gained access to an asset. In interruption, an asset of system becomes lost, unavailable, or unusable. If an unauthorized party not only accesses but tampers or forges with an asset, the threat is called modification. And finally, an unauthorized party might create a fabrication of counterfeit objects on a computing system. That is called fabrication. So these are the four different types of threats. Now we'll move on to method, opportunity, and motive. The malicious attacker must have three things. Every attacker will have three things. That is the method of attack, the opportunity of attack, and the motive for the attack. So here, the method is the skill, technology, or tool that is used. And the other thing with which be able to pull off the attack. Knowledge of systems are widely available. Next one is opportunity, the time and access to accomplish the attack system available to the public or accessible to them. Next one is motive, or the reason to want to perform this attack against the system. So these three things will be mandatory for an attacker. That is method, opportunity, and motive. Now, what are the controls or countermeasures? So, in order to protect, we have confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The control type can be technical, procedural, or physical. The kind of threat can be human, malicious, or directed. So, these are some controls, or countermeasures of threats. Now, what are security goals? When we talk about computer security, we mean that we are addressing three important aspects of any computer related system, that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality ensures that computer related assets are accessed only by authorized parties, that is, reading, viewing, printing, or even knowing their existence, secrecy, or privacy. Now, integrity means that assets can be modified only by authorized parties or only in unauthorized ways, that is, writing, changing, deleting, editing, etc. Availability means that the assets are accessible to authorized parties at appropriate times. That is, often availability is known by its opposite of denial. So that's all for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.